There's a heating element, usually made of metal, that converts electricity into heat. When you fill the kettle and switch it on, electricity flows through this element, heating it up rapidly. The magic happens as the water absorbs this heat. As it heats, the temperature rises until it reaches boiling point, around 100 degrees Celsius. At this point, steam forms, creating pressure that triggers the kettle's automatic shutoff feature. This not only prevents it from boiling dry but also saves energy. Some kettles even have temperature settings for different types of tea or coffee, ensuring you get the perfect brew every time.